Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will compare creatine monohydrate versus pre-workout full comparison. Read labels and track responses when trying a new product, and start with lower doses to assess tolerance. I will explain mechanisms, timing, common ingredients, typical dosages, and who benefits most from each option. By the end, you will know when to favor creatine for long-term gains or a pre-workout for immediate energy and focus. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tutorials. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot vacuum cleans on voice command and maps rooms, which frees up time to manage network settings. It's a handy pick if you want less distraction while configuring routers, and it even avoids carpet tangles for cleaner floors. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Configure port forwarding for precise service exposure by entering the external port, internal IP, and internal port in the router's NAT settings. Use DMZ only when a device must receive all inbound traffic, knowing it increases risk. For added safety, change default ports and enable firewall rules that limit access by IP when possible. After setup, verify ports with a secure external scanner, and confirm your service is reachable without exposing unrelated systems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.